If your help desk is buried under password reset tickets, Clever IDM's built-in account recovery and password reset tools are your strategic advantage. Once you've completed your initial IDM setup, you're ready to configure password reset settings. From your SSO settings, you'll find your Password Settings tab. Here, you'll be able to choose which identity providers you'd like to set up for password recovery and resets, and Clever will do the work of keeping your passwords in sync. Next, you'll decide which user groups, like students, teachers, or staff, can reset their own passwords. More importantly, you can set up delegated reset permissions to offload low-risk tasks. This means teachers can reset passwords for their students, and tech leads or help desk staff can assist teachers, minimizing response time and keeping accounts secure. You'll also get to choose account recovery methods, like SMS, email, or security questions. Want a tip? If you're using SMS or email, preset a default recovery field like a teacher's personal email address, so users always have a method in place even if they forget to set one up. And don't forget to adjust password reset complexity rules. Clever recommends long, easy-to-remember passwords or phrases, at least 8 characters for students and 10 for staff. But you can customize settings for individual user types. That's it! Reduce help desk tickets and protect your users by configuring your IDM password settings today.